What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Just want to share with you guys that we went ahead and purchased the 36-inch Bradley Mower. You may not know, but I'll add it to this video, that our 52-inch stand-on Bradley Mower has gone to the dust. And we are mourning the end of the Bradley. It's over. It's come to the end of the road. And we picked up another John Deere. Now I ain't hating on this mug. I know this, it don't have a it don't have no hours on that mug, in the sense because it don't have no gauge for the hours. But I'm pretty sure it's about 1,800, 2,000. We ran that mug into the ground. You hear me? That mug down like 4 flat tires. But we're gonna purchase another one. We're purchasing a 36-inch strictly for the backyards, but from here on out, it might be green machine all the way. All right, man, but hey, if you can't afford the 10 grand, this is the one you want to get, baby. We done beat that bad boy in the ground, and I know a lot of people gonna say, hey, you know, what you think about the mower? I'm gonna tell you what it is. It is a $4,500 mower. And we pretty much probably put maybe 1,800 hours on it. It's no hour meter, but I do know that based upon the usage and the John Deere we got, and based upon the use of the John Deere on the other truck, I know we done beat that other more hours than we have in the John Deere. And the John Deere has several engine hours on it as well. So, but you gotta take it for the grain of salt. We still love Bradley. We bought another one, and we got this one for backyards only. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna substitute our Bradley mowers just to do the backyard only type of work. We don't want to spend that type of money on a $8,000, $9,000 mower, knowing that we're only gonna use it every now and then. John Deere does have those mowers, 36-inch mower. Matter of fact, do they have a 36? I think they do. They have a 36-inch stand-on. And truth be told, I'm not paying $9,000 for a mower that's not gonna really be used. We just picked up this one right here, 54-inch zero turn. I'll let you check it out. I'll walk around it. Well, it set us back about 11 grand. It got all the bells and whistles. It's a 54-inch. It got the love seat right here. Basically, it puts you to sleep while you're riding on it. And the reason why we got it is because we know that it's gonna be a workhorse. How many yards we're going through, we needed someone who we can take the thing to and they can fix it, lickety-split, have all the parts. Just so happen, the Bradley dealer, they got all the parts, they'll send it to you. But man, I am gonna tell you the truth. Sometimes finding the right person to fix it in a timely manner just take a little bit more time than we really want. We love the mower, but at this point in time, we did go ahead and spend the money that is the cost of 2 Bradley mowers. So if you really think about it, the Bradley mower that I'm talking about, the 52, lasts me 2 years. I don't know how many of y'all have mowers that you're paying 10 grand for. It's still running for you after 2+ years, because this one is only 3-year warranty on it. And I'm pretty sure, just like any car, it gets to the warranty and then pretty much it's done. You're gonna have problems with it. At this point in time, we like the fact that we can take it to the dealer, and we really didn't have problems with our 60-inch. That mug is a workhorse. It's a beast. Hopefully, with my fingers crossed, I'm not talking too soon. All right, so I'm gonna let you check out this little beast right here, and I'm gonna walk around also what we just picked up. Like I said, it got the 12s on it. It's looking real slick. All right, check it out.
Yeah.